my background, my bachelor was in biomedical science. I mean, that is what it's called in Germany, but back at home in Nigeria, we call it medical laboratory sciences. So typically, it's all about diagnosis of disease, and my specialty or my subspecialty is medical microbiology. So my interest is really in malaria because it's one of those diseases that kills a lot of kids, children below the age of 5. And one thing I experienced in my time of practice back at home is there's an issue of misdiagnosis. So many people go to the hospital and they are diagnosed wrongly. So if you're diagnosed too late, then it could lead to a fatal outcome. If you are diagnosed wrongly, like you don't have malaria, but you are told you have malaria, then it creates a problem of drug resistance. So I was looking at a way, I was asking questions basically of how could we solve this using microscopy method, but making it easier, because if you know, the gold standard, according to WHO, for diagnosing malaria is using microscopy method. And this method, you have to use some form of staining, but these stains are not specific. So if you could use fluorescence staining, that was my thought at the time, then it could really help in specifically identifying malaria parasite. But more importantly, it has to be cheap. Like the socioeconomic condition in West Africa is not that of the Western world, so yeah. And that was why I came into medical photonics, and that has been the journey for me.